Olcuf Plus Cough Syrup, sugar-free, is a traditional herbal medicinal product containing ivy leaf extract, thyme extract and licorice extract, which are well known for their beneficial role as expectorants, cough suppressants, and for their soothing properties. Acts as a bronchodilator, cough suppressant, expectorant, mucolytic and spasmolytic agent. Relieves chest congestion, soothes the mucous membrane of bronchial walls and restores normal breathing. Acts as an antitussive and has a soothing effect on sore throat. Olcuf cough syrup may cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal and epigastric, in the upper middle part of the abdomen, pain in some patients.